a versatile, lightweight, and portable FTTX fusion splicer. It can meet the scenarios of FTTX fiber to the home, security monitoring, installation and maintenance engineering, etc. User-friendly mini body design. The compact size makes it easy to carry. Aerial work table design. Stable and efficient to meet the conventional ground and high-altitude work in other environments. 8 seconds for splicing, 18 seconds for heating. The average loss is only 0.01 dB. Innovative, tool-free replacement of electrode rods. Electrode life approximately 5,000 cycles. The 3-in-1 clamp can be connected to leather wire, jumper, pigtail, and bare fiber. 4,000 mAh lithium battery. A full charge can achieve 220 splicing heating cycles. Double-layer cooling slots, twice the carrying capacity than conventional. Meet the continuous work outdoors. Rich and expandable. Equipped with cleaver table. Optical fiber cleaving and splicing are in place in one step. EX39 Mini configuration list. EX39 Mini directions. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Wrap the optic fiber to be fused onto a heat shrink tubing. Use Miller pliers to peel off the outer protective skin with a large diameter. Kevlar scissors cut the Kevlar cable. Peel off the soft rubber protective layer with Miller pliers of medium caliber. Small caliber stripped optic fiber coating layer. Use fiber optic cleaning paper dipped in alcohol to wipe the optic fiber clean and dust-free. Fiber cleaver for cleaving. Place the cut optic fiber into the fusion splicer fixture. Repeat the above operation on the other end of the optic fiber. Cover the windproof cover and wait for 8 for the splicing to complete. Move the heat shrink tubing to the fusion joint. Put it into the heating furnace for heating. When the prompt sound is heard, the heating has been completed. Remove the optic fiber and place it in a cooling bath to cool it down.